Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add headings to text blocks or texts in your Gamma AI presentations. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to your presentation on Gamma AI. Let me go with this one here about the history of Denmark or the Kingdom of Denmark. Next, select the slide here on the left hand side you would like to customize and edit. Let me go with this one here. So there are two ways how you can add headings to a text block. Option number one would be to simply click into an already existing text block. Let me go with that title for that slide or card here. Highlight the text. And after that, let me highlight the entirety of the text. And after that, you will see that these text formatting tools here at the top, and amongst these, here on the very left hand side, you may switch from a title to a heading. So let's say, for example, that text was created as a normal text, and you would like to convert it into heading. Clicking into that drop-down menu simply and select a heading from that menu here. Heading 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let me go with heading 1. That's one way how you can do it. You can, of course, convert any text in your text blocks to a heading or to a title. Option number 2 would be to use the content block option here to the right and add a basic text block as a title or as a heading. To do that, click into basic blocks here and select one of these heading blocks. We go with heading 2 in this case here. And after that, click into that handle here in the top left of the heading or block. Hold your left mouse and drag the new heading to your slide and position it anywhere you like. For example, here just below the title. And that is going to add heading 2 to your slide. And let me fill it with some content. Example heading here, for example. Something like that. And last but not least, guys, you can always move these items or blocks along your slide or even to another slide if you like. And that's basically it. Just click into that handle to the left and release them where you'd like to place them. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.